Hey guys, it's Anna and Aiden here. Welcome back to our channel. So today is officially Disney travel day and we're so excited. It's currently 11:46 a.m. We're officially running late. So we're grabbing our luggage, throwing out the trash, and heading to the airport.
Let's go.
We're gonna be celebrating this guy's birthday in Disney.
Woohoo!
See you soon.
Bye. So here are all of the options. We got mid-size SUV. We have some pretty good options. They're all very nice. I personally like this one right here. It looks really good.
Oh my gosh, we made it! We made it! We had such a long day, but we made it. Here's this one, and here's this one.
The smell.
Oh my god, it gives me all the feels. I'm so happy I can cry, honestly. Oh my god, I am so happy. Oh my gosh, so come on boys, we don't have our magic bands, so we're gonna get them now. We just got our magic bands. Oh my god, they're so cute. Obsessed. The kids are losing their mind over there. There they are. Aiden also got a celebration button already.
So we're done checking in. It's so cool. All this art on the wall. Over there they are playing Ariel, I'm pretty sure. It's so amazing here. This is like one of the most creative Disney hotels I'm pretty sure there is. And it smells amazing. If you smelt it before, you kind of prefer it to as the Art of Animation smell. So cool. It's got like this little rainbow. It's amazing.
Hey guys, so we finally made it to our Little Mermaid room. So happy. It's nice, it's clean. I'm gonna show it to you in a bit, but we definitely had a long day. I think it's just about 10 o'clock in the evening. Our day started out at like 9 in the morning, getting to the airport. Oh my god, so our flight got delayed by like 40 minutes. Then they were gonna get us there on time, but Orlando Airport had to be shut down because there was a severe storm in the area, so we were circling around forever. And of course, once they gave us the okay to land, there was traffic. So getting to our gate, getting our luggage, like forget it. But we got our car really quick. We went to Publix, got our stuff. Now we're at the room and I have to go and get the groceries. Let me show you this room because we're not gonna do like an official video for the room tour, so we're just gonna show you what it looks like before my kids trash it. All right, so we're on the second floor. So here is the window. It's beautifully themed. It looks nice. You got your nice table. The kids, Andrew's like done and tired. This is good too. You got your coffee stuff, storage. I don't know where the fridge is. Right here. Oh, this one is a tiny fridge. It's a tiny, tiny fridge. We got the connecting doors. Here's Aiden. Ah, Prince Eric, my dream. My dream guy. Here's the bathroom area. There's beautiful Ariel. Cute, very cute.
This is the first resort I actually seen it, instead of being a sliding door, it's a curtain.
Yeah, yeah.
I've never seen it like that.
Yeah. Andrew, you better now?